Liberal Party President and Albay 1st District Representative Edsel Lagman has defied the idea that Vice President Sara Duterte might become the next leader of the opposition. Even lawmakers from the Makabayan bloc do not agree with this matter. The issue stemmed from former presidential spokesman Harry Roque, known to be aligned with the Duterte camp, stating that the Vice President would soon become the leader of the opposition against the Marcos administration. This follows her resignation from the Chief Executive's cabinet.
So ngayon hindi na po siya kabahagi ng official family ni Marcos, titingalain na po siya bilang opposition ng leader. Hindi na po tayo headless chicken. Meron na tayong leader na inaasahan natin na talagang mag-articulate ng paninindigan ng mas maraming Pilipino.
Hindi ka panipaniwala at hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. Etong sinasabi ni former Secretary Roque, kaugnay doon sa pagiging opposition na raw ni Sara. So sinasabi nga natin kanina, saan banda?
Pwedeng i-assume niya ang partisan opposition to the administration of President Marcos Jr. Ngunit, ang tunay na oposisyon, ang ideological and consensus opposition ay mananatili sa Liberal Party of the Philippines.
The Albay Solon emphasized that the principles of Vice President Duterte's camp and the Liberal Party are fundamentally not the same on constitutionalism, good governance, human rights, and other issues. Meanwhile, according to the representative, the door of the Liberal Party is not open for Vice President Duterte.
Incompatible ang amin na ideological principles ay mahirap magsabi na bukas ang pinto para kay Sara Duterte. Ang tatayong opposition ay ang Liberal Party of the Philippines. Ito ang opposition ngayon at mananatili kaming opposition.
Meanwhile, the lawmakers of the Makabayan bloc have welcomed Vice President Duterte's resignation as Education Secretary. This is despite the unclear explanation given by the Vice President regarding her cabinet resignation. They said this would be beneficial to the department amid the ongoing education crisis in the country. Lawmakers of the Makabayan bloc also believe that Vice President Duterte's departure from President Marcos Jr.'s cabinet is preparation for the 2025 midterm elections.
Sa atin nagiging mas malinaw yung mga motibo kahit hindi niya outright na sabihin. Ito ay paghahanda na rin niya at ng kanyang political camp para sa darating na eleksyon dahil nga gusto nilang banggain na talaga ang kapon ng mga Marcos dito sa ating political arena.
They also said this is a picture of dirty politics in the Philippines.
Wala sa interes ng parehong kampo ng Duterte at Marcos ang pagtataguyod ng karapatan ng mamamayan. Higit sa lahat, pinapakita lamang ng mga Duterte at mga Marcos kung gaano kadumi yung politika natin dito sa Pilipinas.
Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.